Hey guys, it's Devo here with Honest Home Services, making a quick video to show you what I consider to be a small part of the Devo Spa Treatment of the HVAC system. And so here I'm going to show you guys how I clean and wash the outdoor unit, or what we would consider the condenser, right? And so I start off by taking off the top of the system and removing all of the panels. As you can see, there is some pine needles down in the bottom of the system. So before I add any chemicals or any water to clean this system, I'm first going to remove all of the dry pine straws down in the bottom. Removing while it's dry helps to keep everything contained and easier to pick up by hand. All right. And so before we add any water or any chemicals to the condenser, we want to make sure that we can get as much of this stuff out of the bottom as we can, and we'll try to wash the rest out with the water hose later. All right. So now we've got that part out of the way. We're going to hit it with some chemicals. As you can see, it's going to foam up. This will push out any dirt that's in between the fins and allow the system to have a better airflow. After we get our coil nice and soapy, we're going to come back and hit it with the water hose, and remove all chemicals from the condenser coil. And then I'm going to add the panels back. As you can see down in the bottom, we've got all the pine straws removed. We're going to add the top back, hook everything back up, verify that the system is operating before we leave.